Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Soul brake light. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb. Most Kia Souls use a 7440 or 7443 bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is set for safety before starting any work. Now let's get to the tail light. Open your rear hatch to expose the two Phillips head screws holding the tail light assembly in place. Carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but it will release. With the tail light assembly free, locate the brake light bulb socket. It's usually the larger of the two. Twist the socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out. Take your new bulb and push it firmly into the socket. Make sure it's seated correctly before proceeding. Finally, let's put everything back together. Insert the bulb socket back into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise to lock it securely. Align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws. Have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new light is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.